I started here at Welded Products almost 33 years ago. At the time I was out of work and I didn't know what I was getting into, and I applied for the position and I was lucky enough to get in.
I come into BlueScope and very entry level. I came from a retail management background, completely foreign to this industry. I was able to work my way up. I actually ironically started across at the plate mill and I guess a bit of a sibling plant to us, and come across here to be able to manufacture. So I was driving the cranes, I was actually placing the raw plate, the flat product onto the PTs to come across here before I knew what this world was.
So here at Welded Products we basically have about what we call 10 workstations. I started in the dispatching area as I drove trucks previously. I was loading trucks and then one at a time I learned every position, cutting steel plate, welding beams together, unloading trains, straightening the beams, and slowly worked my way through the whole shop.
We've got a really diverse group. We've got some staff, the plant's been operational for over 30 years, and we have some staff that have still been here from day one, through to some new starters that we've embedded into the business.
I like the diversity. It's not just having ladies here now as well. We never had what we call the supervisor level.
We work on a 24/5 roster pattern. We have day, afternoon and night shift running on 8-hour shift pattern, and we all rotate through those shifts together. We've got approximately 40 staff within BlueScope. We are very unique in what we produce here. We are given the raw product, whereas we're normally sending our product out to our customers to do any kind of fab work, to get into a building or any kind of component they need to use. We do that on site, and we actually hand ship direct to our customers from here. So we get our flat product from our friends across the road at Plate Mill. That comes in anywhere from a thickness of 10 mil all the way up to 40 mil. What you saw today was some offloading of what we call our PTs, our rail wagons that come across. From there, we match up our 3 parts to our manufacture, which is our web in the middle of our beams and our flanges that match on either side. They go to our flame planers and they're cut. Oxy and acetylene cutters will strip down those plates to the sizes that we require. And then from there we blast them. So we get all our rust, scale, any other surface defects that come on the plates, we get that taken off, match them up, and we put them into our assembly area. We have a tack weld station that assembles those beams. It's critical work that. So the web height, we have to actually get to exact centre of those beams. If we do actually lose that from there, we need to remake those beams. So that's a really critical role within the plant. We move on to Welder 1 and using sub-arc welding, we will weld the top side of the beam on both what we call our fixed and our moving sides of our welders. And at the same rate, we'll weld the fillet through that. It's pretty integral there that we need to get the right amount of fillet size on those beams as well, due to all our standards that we're governed by. That'll go all the way through the rest of that beam. We then turn that beam over and we weld the opposite side. So 4 8mm welds all the way along that beam to keep it together. We go through our straightening process if needed be, which just gets it completely square, and then if we need to cut samples or we need to cut 2 parts of that beam, we do that through our saw. Once we get it through the saw defect free, we can get into our dispatch area ready to load onto a truck. And then it's off the plant and off we go. We are lucky to have everything we have here on site, so close to the main works. So we can turn around a product very quickly. We can have a beam from the flat product in the morning to being shipped on a truck in the afternoon if need be. And we can react really quickly to our customers and our market from what they need. Oh, look, the challenges have been amazing. I've been really blessed to the work family that I have created and been embraced into. Safety here, I thought I knew about safety before I started at BlueScope. Now I really know about safety. I have really embraced the opportunity that I've been given here, and continuing to have that opportunity throughout the business has been amazing.